Okay, so real quick, I wanted to talk about shooting after dark and how much capability our cameras have these days, the mirrorless ones especially, shooting high ISO in order to get some cool shots in the evening. The thing I love about shooting after the sun has set is the rich colors that you can really pull. This evening in particular didn't have a lot of clouds, so the sunset didn't really lend itself to much color. This evening after the sunset, it turned out pretty cool. So on this side, on the right hand side, is the shot that I took straight out of camera. Here's the shot taken from a little bit farther back. The little pony standing there, and the yard light is just casting this light, and he is like right on the edge of this bright light, so he's getting nice shadows covering him. I started out with the originals quite dark because I wanted to keep detail in my highlights here, which you can see. Then I ran my preset on it, but as we lightened it up, you can tell very, very noisy, lots of noise in the shadows. So then I ran the denoise feature. But the thing I wanted to show you, can play with the luminance and the detail to kind of help smooth that out even more. So this would be the original after the denoise. But if you bring your luminance up, it's going to smooth it a little bit, which then you can go back into here, the basic. You can bring your texture kind of the other direction to just sharpen things up a little bit if you want, depending. It's pretty crazy how you can go from something like this to something like this. And I think this is a beautiful little photo of this pony. And having the yard light really like sets off his mane and tail. And you still have an exposure here for the background that shows that there is still some light coming through, but most of the light in this photo is coming from the yard light. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, give it a try. And I would love if you would send me some pictures of your attempts at evening photography.